What is personal finance? Personal finance is all about how we manage our money. It states not just about the numbers, but also about the decisions we make with our income, expenses, savings, and investments. Think of it like this: your money is a resource, and personal finance is how you use that resource to achieve your goals. Beyond the numbers, personal finance is also about your relationship with money. It's about understanding your values and aligning your financial decisions with what truly matters to you. For example, if you value experiences over material possessions, you might prioritize traveling and adventure over buying expensive gadgets.
Why personal finance is important. Reason 1. Reduce stress. Uncertainty breeds anxiety. Not knowing where your money is going or if only you have enough to cover unexpected expenses can be a major source of stress. A budget brings control. Creating a budget helps to track income and expense, giving you a clear picture of your financial situation. This visibility reduces the fear of unknown and sense of a control. Finance planning for emergency. A well-planned budget include an emergency fund to cover unexpected events like job loss, medical bills, or car repair. The safety net significance less the financial stress. Achieve goals. Setting clear financial targets. Whether it's buying a house, funding your children's education, or retiring comfortably. Personal finance help you to set realistic and achievable goals. Developing a roadmap. A financial plan outlines the step you need to take to reach your goal, such as saving, investing, and reducing debts. Staying motivated and focused, having a clear roadmap, and tracking your progress keeps you motivated and on track towards achieving your financial aspiration. Point third, build wealth. Smart spending and saving habits. By understanding your spend patterns and identifying areas where you can cut back, you can free up more money for savings and investing. The power of compound interest. Investing early and consistently allow your monies to grow exponentially over time through the magic of compound interest. Diversification of risk management. Spreading investment across different assets helps to mitigate risk and increase the potential for long term growth. And the last point, make informed decisions. Understanding financial products, learning about different financial products like loan, insurance, and investments empower you to make informed choices that align with your needs and risk tolerance. Avoid financial pitfalls. Knowledge about personal finance helps you to identify and avoid common financial pitfalls such as excessive debt, impulsive spendings, and scams. By empowering and independence, by taking control of your finance, you can gain freedom to choose that supports your value, lifestyle, leading to a greater financial independence. Thank you.